Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to see all the liked Instagram reels that you have liked in the past, in the future, whatever. So to do this, just open up your Instagram and head over to your profile on the bottom right, and head over to the top menu on the top right. And what you want to do now is click on your activity. You get a list with all the activities that you have had in Instagram: time spent, interaction, photos, videos, accounts, etc., etc. What you want to do is click on interactions and then select likes. And here you can see all the likes that you have given out, everything that you have liked, including reels. The ones with the camera on the top left corner are reels with likes from you. And that's it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.